What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. An AI trading bot that turned $3,200 into $14,000 in just 1 week. It sounds impossible, and honestly, that is exactly what got my attention. After checking verified trading data, user reports, and the company behind it, the story of Galileo FX turned out to be far more interesting than what most people think. It isn't a fund or an exchange, and it never touches client money. Galileo FX is an automated trading system that is built in Italy that connects to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or NinjaTrader using preset strategies to execute trades automatically. It's made for people who want to trade without sitting in front of charts literally all day, so whether you're a beginner, a busy professional, or someone who just prefers automation. This is Galileo FX, a quiet piece of software that's become one of the most talked about trading bots online. Welcome back, guys. So what exactly is Galileo FX? It's a software that automates trading inside MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and NinjaTrader. As I said, it is not a broker, a fund, or an exchange. It's simply a tool that connects to your existing trading accounts. What's cool is that your money always stays with your broker, and Galileo FX never has access to it. And once it is installed, it runs continuously on your computer or VPS, following the trading rules you set. And you can literally monitor every single position directly from your phone through the MetaTrader app. In simple terms, guys, this is a trading robot that follows instructions precisely. What sets this project apart is its transparency, because it's one of the few systems that show verified gains and losses before you pay. With over 600 tested strategies and publicly available results reaching up to 2,040% performance, you can see exactly how each setup performs. There is no hidden data and no cherry picking. This is literally a one-time purchase with no subscriptions, and you always stay in control. When you start with Galileo FX, you can pick from over 600 pre-built strategies, all downloadable directly from their performance page. And each strategy includes verified data, so you can easily choose one that fits your trading goals. Next, what you have to do is simply select your risk level, whether that be conservative, moderate, or aggressive. The AI automatically adjusts how often it trades and how large each portion is, so there is no coding, there is no chart reading, and no setup confusion. You simply choose how active you want it to be, and then you let it trade for you. As you can see, guys, it's fully automated, which means that it's opening and closing trades on its own all day and night. Unlike signal services that wait for your confirmation, this one runs independently across forex, stocks, indexes, futures, metals, and other major markets. And their main goal is to bring steady and rule-based trading to people who want consistency without spending every hour watching the charts. Now let's talk about results and data, because that's where most people start raising questions. All Galileo FX performance data is verified through MyFxBook, which is one of the most trusted third-party platforms for tracking real trades. Reports show gains reaching up to 331% in a single week and over 560% within 5 months, confirmed by independent analysts and user-submitted accounts. One user reported earning $580 during their first week using the conservative mode, while the more aggressive setting has shown the potential for much higher returns. What gives it credibility, as I said, is transparency, because the team shares real user data, verified trades, and open communication about both wins and losses. Their approach doesn't hide risk, it actually explains it, and that is honestly very rare in a space that is filled with unrealistic promises. This project operates from Italy with public company information, with support lines, and with documentation that is available to literally anyone who wants to verify it. It's structured more like a legitimate software product than a trading scheme, and that is a huge part of why it's lasted lasted this long. And what really adds depth to Galileo FX is the human side behind it, because the company is small, it's independent, and it's based in Italy. It was founded by David Materazzi, who is a former manager who once oversaw $3.4 billion a day in US equities while working in Canada. This project is entirely self-financed with no outside investors or corporate control, which gives them the full freedom to build at their own pace. On top of that, guys, customer support is handled by real people and not chatbots, and they're available around the clock 5 days a week. And for anyone new to trading or intimidated by tech setup, they even offer remote installation assistance to get things running. The community has grown to more than 5,000 active users, supported by thousands of verified reviews across Google, Trustpilot, and Reviews.ir. This project stands out for its transparency in an industry that is full of anonymous teams and fake gurus, with a registered business operating openly under EU law. But I have to highlight that pricing is one of the areas where this project really stands out for keeping things clear and honest. Here you make a one-time purchase with no subscriptions, no renewals, or hidden fees. Depending on the version, the price sits between roughly 799 and 1,900 euros, and once you've bought it, it's actually yours for life. It connects with any broker using MetaTrader 4 or 5, and it runs easily even on a simple computer or VPS. And while it may seem like a higher upfront cost, the fact that you fully own the software makes it a fair and transparent setup for all traders who value independence. On the legal and safety side, Galileo FX operates with a full compliance under both EU and US trading regulation, including FIFO and non-advisory standards. On top of that, guys, the software never handles clients' funds, never gives financial advice, and never takes deposits. Everything stays in your own broker account, and it's completely under your control. It's a clean software with no hidden code or malware, and it's running safely inside MetaTrader's sandbox environment. What's cool is that you can disconnect it at any time, since every trade and decision stays on your computer, your broker, and on your terms. So guys, the bottom line is that this project stands as a transparent, compliant, and user-controlled tool that is built for people who want disciplined, automated trading without surrendering control. Every trade happens in your own broker account, and the system's simplicity is what makes it stand out in a market full of noise. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments as always, and stay tuned for more deep dives into real trading technology that actually works. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.